Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome to Dee's Yard. It is officially fall, which is my favorite season for so many reasons. First of all, football season is back, but the temperatures are starting to cool and the leaves will soon start to change their color. And I may be biased here, but here in the mountains in East Tennessee, they sure do put on a beautiful fall show. But another welcoming feature is the fact that fall is the best time to plant your trees, shrubs, and perennials. As the days get shorter and the temperatures start to drop, plants get the signal that it's time to start shutting down to prepare for winter. That means putting more energy into root development rather than making new foliage and flowers as they would do in the spring. You may be asking how or why is this important, and that's because the roots are the foundation of a plant. My key concern when planting is getting the root system established. Once a plant's roots are established, that plant requires less help from me, creating a more enjoyable garden. Another push for root development in the fall is soil temperature. At springtime, the soil has to catch up to the air temperatures, but in the fall, it is the opposite. The soil is still warm from all the summer heat, creating the perfect environment for roots wanting to grow at this time of the year. Not to mention the less intense sun, lower humidity, and cooler nights are all less stressful on the plants, including myself when I'm out in the garden. One tree that I'm beyond excited to plant this fall is the award-winning Avondale Redbud. Very conveniently, this tree was shipped right to my front door from fastgrowingtrees.com and arrived in perfect condition. I'm telling you guys, it's like Christmas when I get to unbox plants. In the box, there's also a tree planting kit that makes the perfect gift for that special someone, or really is just a great starter kit for planting. Inside, it comes with everything you need. A pair of gardening gloves, super cute. 1 2-ounce packet of Root Rocket transplant fertilizer, which includes beneficial bacteria to help establish the roots fast. There's also one 24-inch breathable tree guard that protects the young trunk from damage caused by animals, rabbits, and rodents that chew, and equipment such as weed whackers. There is also one tree staking kit with directions, which is perfect to stabilize young trees, especially in windy locations. This is such an awesome kit, and right now through October 15th, if you use the code FALLPLANTINGD, you can get 15% off your order from fastgrowingtrees.com. The Avondale Redbud is one of the most spectacular and profuse flowering of all redbuds, and dare I say, maybe of all spring flowering trees that there is. During the spring, rose purple flowers cover the stems and branches. It stands out from other redbuds because every single branch is packed from top to bottom with an abundance of blooms, and this tree is already completely budded up. After the stunning spring show, attractive green, glossy, heart-shaped leaves replace the flowers. And then in the fall, the foliage turns a golden yellow hue, adding so much interest to the landscape. Avondale Redbud only gets 10 to 15 feet tall and wide, creating a big impact in a small space, making this tree perfect for small landscapes and even well adapted to containers. This is such an easy to grow tree, and it's free from pests and or diseases. It grows best in full sun to partial sun conditions in zones 5 through 9. I've chosen to plant this gorgeous tree next to my koi pond that I'll soon be planting a boxwood hedge around. I love this location because it's right outside my dining room window, creating the perfect view while entertaining either inside or outside on my back porch, and of course from the koi pond area. When planting, dig a hole 2 to 3 times the width of the root ball, but no deeper than the root ball height.
When the
Now all that's left to do is just water this red bud in. I hope this video inspired you and you do some fall planting, and let me know in the comments down below, what do you plan on planting this fall? Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.